This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, good morning one and all. So we have seen configuration up to define groupings for public holiday calendar, and today we'll see further configuration. So let me just go to that specific screen. Now the next step is to set work schedule rule and work schedules. Execute this. Click on new entries. Enter ESG grouping. We have selected ESG grouping, that is 5 permanent employee, like that. Enter start date and end date. Now here in holiday calendar ID, you have to select your code for your holiday calendar. So my code for my holiday calendar is VI public holiday. Just a minute, guys. So PS grouping, our PS grouping is 36. So I have selected PS grouping 36. And in work schedule rule, you have to enter a code which you have given, that is VIGS. Let me search here. Now you have to enter the code for VIGS. Enter daily working hours, that is 8 hours. And if you calculate for 5 work days, that will be around 40 hours for weekly. So enter 40 into weekly, and weekdays we have considering 5 days. And accordingly, if you calculate, monthly working hours will be 160. And if you calculate annual working hours, that will be around 1920. So you have to enter this data, and then you have to enter the work schedule. So try to search from this section. enter your VIGS here and enter reference date PWS. So let me just enter today's date. And the next thing is start point in PWS. So what is start point in PWS? That is 001. You have to enter this code here. Enter root for day type. I'll enter 36. Now enter your values. Click on enter and save your values. So you have set a work schedule rule and work schedule for your organization. In further way, you can generate it manually also. How you can generate? Let me just show you. In this way, you can create it manual way. What will be the period? What will be your holiday calendar? You can assign those things manually. And the next configuration is planned working time. In planned working time, you have to set a default value for your work schedule. So let me just execute this. So our employee group is C, that is permanent employee. And further, our employee subgroup is CC. Let me just check once. Right, our employee subgroup is CC. So click on create and enter your employee subgroup, which is CC. Click on transfer and now click on CC, further click on create, and now in return value you have to enter a code for your sheet, which we have given VIGS. Try to save your entries and follow the same step, check and activate. So we have generated feature to set a default value for work schedule. Click on back. Now another configuration is set default value for time management status. Click on Molga and now our country, that is 40, that is not present here because we need to bring our company here, country here. Search your country here, 40. So select that. So now India is visible here. Now click on field for decision. And from this section, you can select all these options like company code, personnel area, sub area, employee groups, subgroups. For the time being, I'll try with a company code. So this otherwise section, first you need to delete this. And under company code, search your company. First assign your company here. So I have searched with company code VI Industries. Click on that. And under VI Industries, you have to enter a return value. And you can enter return value from 1 to 5. Any number. Click on that. Assign return value 1. Try to save your configuration. And activate this. So this is the way to set a default value for time management status. Click on back. Now the next configuration is time data recording and administration. Click on substitution. First you need to define substitution type. Click on new entries and give a code for your PS grouping. I'll give 36. And give a name for your substitution type. I have given names VI substitution and time constraint. Let me just show you what is time constraint. There are 3 types of time constraint: 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. So select time constraint 3, enter and save. So we have defined a substitution type. So this is the basic configuration related to time management. Thank you guys.